Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer, while you work harder and barely get ahead? It's not just about luck. It's not even about how much money they started with. It's about what they do with their money. While the average person earns a paycheck and spends it, the rich buy assets, tools that generate more wealth without constant effort. In this video, we're breaking down the exact assets the wealthy quietly stack, while most people stay trapped in the cycle of work, earn, spend, repeat. Let's dive in. 1. Stocks. The income machines you don't see. The wealthy don't just save, they own. They own pieces of the biggest companies in the world through the stock market. While you're working 9 to 5, they're earning from dividends, cash paid out just for owning stock. Capital gains. Profit from selling stock that has grown in value. Even during sleep, vacation, or retirement, money flows in. Instead of trying to time the market, the rich buy index funds like S&P 500 or ETFs like VU, VTI, and QQQ, and hold for years. These assets quietly multiply in the background. 2. Real estate. Not just property, but power. The rich don't just live in homes, they own income-producing property. Rental income, appreciation, and tax benefits turn real estate into a triple-threat wealth tool. Upward trend cash flow from tenants. Bank equity growth as property value rises. Money bag depreciation deductions to reduce taxes. Some buy single-family homes. Others go bigger, multi-units, commercial buildings, Airbnb properties. The goal is the same: money that shows up every month, whether they work or not. 3. Businesses. Assets that print cash. Owning a business is one of the most powerful wealth vehicles on earth. The rich know this. They either start businesses themselves or invest in others, private equity, franchises, partnerships. Unlike a job, a well-run business becomes an asset that works for you. Think about it. A single online store or consulting agency can generate 5, 6, or even 7 figures a year, automatically, with the right team and systems in place. While most people trade time for money, the rich build machines that make money on their behalf. 4. Intellectual property, the hidden goldmine. Books, courses, patents, software, music royalties. These are not just creative expressions, they're income-producing assets. Write one book that sells forever? That's royalty income for years. Launch a course once and automate sales? That's 24/7 digital cash flow. The wealthy create or buy rights to ideas that pay repeatedly without needing to clock in. It's not loud. It's not flashy. But it's powerful. 5. Private investments. What the rich see first. Most people don't have access to early-stage startups, venture capital, or private market deals. But the wealthy do. These investments are higher risk, but offer massive returns. A $50,000 investment in a tech startup could become $5 million if it IPOs. Private real estate syndications offer double-digit returns plus tax perks. Hedge funds and angel investing offer exclusive access to big wins. These aren't found on apps. They're found through networks. That's why rich circles keep wealth within rich circles. 6. Collectibles, tangible, tax-advantaged wealth. Art, watches, classic cars, rare wine. They might seem like luxury toys, but for the rich, they're strategic assets. They hold value when markets crash. They often appreciate faster than inflation, and they can be sold or leveraged when needed. For example, a Rolex Daytona bought for $12,000 in 2018 could sell for $25,000 in 2025. No stock, no stress. Just silent growth. 7. Time. The most valuable asset of all. Yes, time is an asset. And while most people trade theirs endlessly, the rich buy back theirs. They outsource low-valued tasks. Hire teams, use automation. Not because they're lazy, but because they understand. Time is the one asset you can't earn back. They use that reclaimed time to strategize, build, and grow, while others are stuck in a cycle of endless hustle. What keeps the poor poor? Most people spend first, save later. If anything is left, buy liabilities, cars, gadgets, status, avoid risk. But stay broke. Work harder without leverage. The rich flip the script. They buy assets first, then let assets fund their lifestyle. Understand debt as a tool, like real estate leverage, Prioritize growth over comfort. Play the long game. Not the fast game. The wake-up call. If you're working hard, but not seeing progress, it's not because you're lazy or dumb. It's because you're using the wrong tools. You've been taught to work harder, not smarter. The wealthy don't hustle more, they hustle differently. They build systems, buy assets, think decades ahead. And they never let a single paycheck just sit in a checking account. So now you know, the rich don't just earn money, they build machines that multiply it. The question is, which asset will you start with? Drop a comment below. Will it be stocks? Real estate? A business? And if this video opened your eyes, even a little, hit that like button and share it with someone stuck in the 9-to-5 loop. Subscribe now, because this is where future millionaires are made, one smart move at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.